everybody, how are you? This is Tina. I have a Dollar Tree haul and I stepped at a Rummage sale. So I'll show you what I got at the Dollar Tree. Not too much. Found some little cute little robot stickers. I thought they were so cute I had to buy them. Did I need them? Not really. We finally got the spray bottles in at my store, so I got 4 of those. There's some spray bottles that I just can't get working anymore, so grab them. Bought this. I thought this was pretty cool. I'm going to pan it and give it to my father-in-law for Father's Day, because he likes dragonflies, and he can hang in it somewhere in his house. I thought it was kind of cool. Do some mixed media on that for him. And, oh, this is the mother right here. I bought some more turquoise because it was out. Then they had this new orange. Got that. And they did some lime green that was out. Got some pink that I never got before. I got the Martha Stewart's. And I got white. And I didn't get charged for these Martha Stewart's. I had her put them back and she threw them in my thing. Oops. On her, not me. Another orange one. I got some more white because it's white until I can order some white. So I just picked some up while I was there. Got this pretty dusty blue. That's a new color I didn't have. That. And ooh, turquoise. Yep, I like the turquoise. And then this one. This was called Aqua. I only had one now. I had about a couple of them. So that's that. Not a very big Dollar Tree haul. I'm going to have to double check my receipt because I changed my mind when I got up there. I didn't want those Martha Stewart's. So I went to a Rummage sale. These little swords for 10 cents a piece. I thought Quetta would be fun to play with. Him and his neighbor Xavier. They always play with that kind of stuff. And got this for Alley Cat. I thought it was cool for $1. It's a picture frame. Let's see if I can show you guys. It's kind of cool, isn't it? How big that is? That's kind of cool. So I thought she'd like that. And let's see. Oh. I believe it's contact paper. It's, yeah. Something used in plastic. I thought it was kind of cool for $1. So I grabbed that. And then they had costumes. Got this for $1. Lights up. You can have the box. So if you want the box, you can have the box. And then I got him a scream mask for $10. And then they like my grandkids. I don't know about your grandkids, but they like playing dress up. And Allie's getting to the where she's like, I don't have no dress up clothes. So this was a little like 2-piece. Comes with this little shirt and the pants for $1. Got that. And then I got this for this was another big one. That they have Blast to the Past at school. And them is always asking. So here was a poodle costume for $1. There's a little poodle. Figured I can stitch this because it looks like it needs to be fixed. I can do that. So I got that. Costumes are expensive for kids these days. And I got this for Riley. It's a little poodle skirt. Oh. And then I thought this was cute. I didn't know if this was a costume or a regular shirt. But I thought that was cool. I don't know. But I thought it was cool with the sleeves, a little fringe. I thought it was cute with this flower. And this one is another poodle one, a little heavier one, a little polka dot. It has that, and a little. So that, and then this was $1. Oops. It was it's metal too. It's not plastic. It's not snake. Oh, this is metal. So it kind of look like Cleopatra, I guess. The earrings. And then the little necklace. Wow, this is metal. This one's metal. Ooh. Got that. And that's it. That was a big video, guys. Woo-hoo. So I thought I'd just share. What are you guys doing this Memorial Day? Went too many garage sales on. Went to Hobby Lobby. That's what I was doing. And no, I did not buy a damn thing at Hobby Lobby. So I went there for a purpose to see if I could get those alcohol inks. Alcohol inks that are on clearance, I see. Mine aren't on clearance yet, so I came out with a nada. And then went to Dollar Tree. And then happened to see a Rummage sale sign on my block that I live on. So I talked to Hobby to take me. And that's what I bought. So I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful day. And remember what the meaning of Memorial Day is about. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. And bye for now, everybody. Bye.